In a vast, tranquil lake, nestled amongst towering mountains, lived a loon named Luna. Luna was not like the other loons. She had a peculiar ability to communicate with humans, a gift that made her both cherished and feared. One day, Luna discovered a young boy named Jack, lost and alone on the lake's shore. Jack was cold, scared, and far from home. Luna, moved by his plight, decided to help. She swam up to Jack, her eyes filled with concern. "Jack," she said, her voice echoing across the water. "I can guide you home, but you must trust me." Jack, with little other choice, agreed. Together, they embarked on a journey across the lake. Luna led Jack through treacherous waters, past towering cliffs, and through dark, mysterious caves. Along the way, they encountered various obstacles, but Luna navigated them all with grace and wisdom. Finally, they reached the shore of Jack's hometown. Jack was overjoyed, hugging Luna tightly. "Thank you, Luna," he said. "I will never forget your kindness." Luna, with a smile, replied, "You are welcome, Jack. Remember, even the most unlikely of friends can make the greatest of differences." And with a wave, she returned to her lake, leaving Jack to his newfound home. Years passed, and Jack grew into a wise and kind man. He never forgot Luna's selfless act and made it his mission to help those in need, just as Luna had helped him. In time, he too became known as a beacon of hope, a symbol of kindness, and a reminder that even the most unlikely of friendships can change the world. The story of Luna and Jack serves as a reminder that we should not fear the different or the unknown. Instead, we should embrace them, for it is in our differences that we find the most beautiful and meaningful connections.